Differences between aluminum and cast iron cylinder heads. In the world of high-performance engines, the debate between aluminum and cast iron cylinder heads has raged on for decades. These two materials, each with its unique properties and characteristics, have become the primary choices for engine builders and enthusiasts alike. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into the differences between aluminum and cast iron cylinder heads, exploring their strengths, weaknesses, and suitability for various applications. Understanding cylinder head fundamentals. Before we delve into the material differences, let's first understand the critical role that cylinder heads play in an engine's performance. The cylinder head serves as the engine's brain, housing the valves, spark plugs, and intricate channels that control the flow of air and fuel into the combustion chambers. Its design and construction directly impact an engine's power output, efficiency, and durability. Aluminum cylinder heads, lightweight champions. Aluminum has become a popular choice for cylinder head construction due to its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. Aluminum cylinder heads are significantly lighter than their cast iron counterparts, offering several advantages. 1. Reduced reciprocating mass. With a lighter cylinder head, the engine's reciprocating mass, the weight of the components that move up and down, is reduced, leading to improved acceleration and responsiveness. 2. Improved fuel efficiency. The reduced weight of aluminum cylinder heads translates into lower overall vehicle weight, resulting in better fuel economy and reduced emissions. 3. Dissipation of heat. Aluminum is an excellent conductor of heat, allowing for more efficient heat transfer from the combustion chambers to the cooling system. 4. Potential for increased horsepower. The weight savings and improved heat dissipation capabilities of aluminum cylinder heads can contribute to higher engine power output. Cast iron cylinder heads, rugged and durable. While aluminum cylinder heads offer weight advantages, cast iron cylinder heads have long been revered for their durability and robustness. Here are some key benefits of cast iron cylinder heads. 1. Exceptional strength and rigidity. Cast iron is an incredibly strong and rigid material, capable of withstanding immense pressures and temperatures within the combustion chambers. 2. Resistance to deformation. Cast iron cylinder heads are less prone to warping or deformation under extreme thermal and mechanical stress, ensuring consistent sealing and performance over time. 3. Longevity and reliability. With proper maintenance, cast iron cylinder heads can provide years of reliable service, making them a popular choice for heavy-duty applications and high-mileage vehicles. 4. Cost-effectiveness. While not as lightweight as aluminum, cast iron cylinder heads are generally more affordable, making them a budget-friendly option for many enthusiasts and budget-conscious builders. Factors to consider in the aluminum versus cast iron debate. When deciding between aluminum and cast iron cylinder heads, several factors come into play. 1. Application and performance goals. For high-performance applications where weight savings and increased power output are priorities, aluminum cylinder heads often take the lead. Conversely, cast iron cylinder heads excel in heavy-duty and reliability-focused applications. 2. Cooling system considerations. Aluminum cylinder heads may require more robust cooling systems to effectively dissipate heat, while cast iron heads can often operate with simpler cooling setups. 3. Compatibility and availability. Depending on the specific engine platform, the availability and compatibility of aftermarket cylinder heads, aluminum or cast iron, may influence the decision. 4. Maintenance and repair. While cast iron cylinder heads are generally more durable, aluminum heads may require more delicate handling during repairs or maintenance to prevent warping or damage. It's important to consult with experienced engine builders, performance shops, or knowledgeable enthusiasts to understand the pros and cons of each material in relation to your specific engine platform and intended use. And that concludes our discussion on the differences between aluminum and cast iron cylinder heads. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.